Good morning, welcome to the vlog, welcome to Rambeast Projects. It is 19 degrees here in southeastern PA, and it looks like we got about 3 to 4 inches of snow. Yes, snow. For starters, I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to the channel in the recent, past week. I think we gained almost 1,000 subscribers in a week. I think YouTube gave us a little Christmas present to boost our confidence level up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today, I got something epic for the channel, which I'll fill you guys in a little bit later. But right now, I gotta get this driveway cleared and the truck cleared off. And then we gotta go pick up the wife's car, the Toyota 4Runner, at the dealership.
So someone's having fun playing in this winter wonderland. Jesus. Lord have mercy. He's my big kid. I have 3 children. My oldest one being 40. We are now on our way down to Del Toyota to pick my car up. The 4Runner went in for its, it was supposed to go in for its 5,000 mile checkup, but it was about 8,000, so she's getting her first oil change and getting all checked out. And then we also had them check out the remote start that Steve got put in for me as a gift, and it was such a sweet gesture, but the damn thing doesn't work. I basically have to be within, 5-10 feet of the car?
Yeah, 5-10 feet.
I basically have to be out touching the car for the remote start to work, and that kind of defeats the purpose. So I haven't been using it, so we just mentioned that to him. So I'm curious to see if something was done or something could have been done with it.
Another flaw with Toyota's factory remote starts are you have to, when you put the key in the door and unlock it, it shuts off. If you hit the unlock button, it will shut off. So once you finally get the remote start to work, it won't stay on, it shuts your car off. So you gotta use your starter again and start your car up, which is stupid. My Ram, I could be in the living room of our house, hit the button 2 times, starts up, will stay running for 15 minutes. I can go out there, open the door, go inside of it, hit the start button, and then I'm in run mode, and I'm ready to go. Her car, no. And the remote start costs us about $700 to have it installed and purchased from the dealership. I am not happy with I'm not happy with the remote start. I think it's ridiculous. I think it's a poor design. So if you have a Toyota, I highly, highly recommend you get an aftermarket remote start, because the factory remote start is horrible and a waste of money. It's my thoughts. Because I bought her this
the more
nice,
you know.
Yeah, I bought my wife this nice present for her birthday back in June, and she can't even use it, and it was expensive.
So yeah, we're gonna go pick the 4Runner up now. And then the little one and I are gonna go do some errands.
Then I'm going back to reveal the new thing for the channel, which is epic. It's awesome. Something I wanted for a long time. I got surprised by my wife and my mom on Christmas Day. Had no clue I was getting this. So I get to benefit from it because I've wanted one for a long time, and you guys will benefit from it as well.
Somebody must have been a good boy.
Clean off your car. That's nice of them. Hello.
Hi, how are you today?
Good.
Just need to borrow a signature.
Sure.
Perfect.
Dial into the reception desk.
He said what this could be as simple as the battery in this remote from new was weak.
Okay.
So I'm going to go put a new battery in this, and hopefully that might do it. He said he just had the same problem with another one. It's just the battery was weak from the factory.
Okay, cool. So maybe it's just the battery. We'll see. I know this one will be ecstatic if it's just the battery.
Oh yeah.
Here's a little example of my Ram's range for the remote start. And it just started. Should have bought a Ram.
No.
I had him replace the battery, so we did an intermittent signal test off the remote, which neither of us were real happy with the results, because it was intermittent. It was like one time it worked really well and the next time it didn't. So Monday, Tuesday, I'm going to get with Dominic, our parts manager, and I'll get you a new key ordered. So, and then that'll probably solve it, because that'll give us a better signal strength. It just, I mean, it's got a good signal strength, but it doesn't have a great signal strength. So we'll do that. But it's got a brand new battery in it now, so hopefully it'll work more than 10 feet away.
Sounds good.
But just get with me Monday. We'll get it all hooked up.
All right. Thank you very much.
Appreciate it, bro.
All right, you got it, bro. Thanks, Steve.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
So long. Farewell.
I couldn't resist. Wife told me they didn't plow the parking lot, so I had to come over. And just like that, we're home. So, the moment I've been waiting for, and maybe some of you have been waiting for, revealing what I got for Christmas, which is gonna be, like I said before, mutually beneficial. I've wanted one of these for a long time, and it's gonna be awesome for the channel. The DJI Maverick Pro. Check this thing out. Check this thing out. I haven't opened it yet. I've been waiting to do this with you guys. More fly package going on here. I believe it comes with extra batteries and propellers. Got a nice little carrying case here. Get that out. Propellers are in here. It's pretty damn cool. Actually, they got little sleeves for the propellers to slide into. It's like your instruction booklet sitting here on top. This looks like the charger. Little carrying strap for your case. Man, everything is just nicely packaged in there. Check that out. Okay, yeah, this right here looks like the charging hub. Some sort. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to research into this a lot more. AC power adapter, probably for the charger. Cigarette plug adapter, so you can charge on the road. My truck actually has an AC outlet converter. USB, it's probably for downloading your footage. Gosh, look how small this controller is. It's crazy. It's small. It's got another zipper up in here. Let's see what this is. These little cables plug into the controller and plug into your actual iPhone that you're gonna attach to it, or Android device. Here's the meat and potatoes, guys. Check this thing out. It is so small. Wow. Looks like the propellers are already on the bottom end of it, but look how small this thing is. Can't wait to fly it. As you see, the weather out here is horrible, so I won't be flying it today. But wow, the thing is cool. There's a battery. And there's a battery. Hi, I'm so excited for this drone and to use it for the channel. Man, I'm gonna get some awesome footage this summer. 2018 is going to be great. A lot of things in the works for 2018 already. So not only are we doing mods to my truck, we're going to do mods to the wife's 4Runner, and you're also going to see a little bit of insight on our personal lives, the family lives. You're going to get a little insight on our family lives, what I do for a living. If you're new to the channel, many of you already know, the guys that my loyal followers that have been with me from the start know my full-time job is in law enforcement. I'm actually a police sergeant at a local police department, city police department. And my wife, she does special education. She's been doing it for 18 years. And we have 2 beautiful daughters. And we enjoy going on trips and stuff like that to the beaches in the summer. And this year we're going to be going to the mountains, Slate Run. So if you guys are from Pennsylvania, you're familiar with that, we will be doing some awesome video in Slate Run. So really looking forward to it. This year, I mean, we started YouTube. It's been a tough run on occasions. Just working a full-time job and then allotting so much time to do YouTube. I've actually had to take off of work just so I can do different things because, you know, they're not going to wait for you. You got to make time for them. You got to jump on certain opportunities when they present themselves. So I'm not gonna lie, it hasn't been easy, but I'm loving every second of it. I'm really enjoying it. And this last video that we posted, I believe it was the 23rd of December, it just shot up, and I needed that boost. I needed that, and I think YouTube gave me a Christmas present because I feel like my content is getting better and better as I learn more, because everything I've done so far has been self-taught. Like, no one's taught me how to do anything. I either learned it off of YouTube or just messing with things and learning how to do it myself, and reading instructions when there's some instructions available to you. From the start of our channel, we started the channel back in March of 2017, slowly vlogging here and there. You can see that the wife and I were probably up a lot of weight back then. I've dropped over 100 pounds. She's almost at 100 pounds. And we're just living a healthier lifestyle and having a great time doing the vlogging and enjoying life in general. And I'm glad that you guys are enjoying the content as well. It's quite clear, just this past week, you guys just blew me out of the water. I can't tell you how much I appreciate the support and all the new followers and my loyal followers, and it's been great. That's why I'm doing it, and I'm not going anywhere. We're going to continue to vlog, and when time permits it, I'll push more videos out and try to do more videos a week than just one upload a week. Occasionally I have done 2 or 3 uploads a week, but that's only when I'm off or on vacation or what have you. Stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're stopping by for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy all the other videos. There's plenty of other videos. There's 40 other videos. And it's nice to see the progression of how we started out and where we're at now. So thank you all, and I'm looking forward to 2018 with you.